Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the QoS settings on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, here we are in the main page. Now, let me tell you guys, there's a tutorial for our channel on how to do everything here. So, how to download the app, how to create an account, how to connect our decos to work. And here we need to go to more. Now go to QoS, and here we have the seed acceleration. We can enable it, or client acceleration. So for example, if we enable it, then we can add the client, we can add our own phone, and then we can click save. Now we will be prioritized to get better speeds, and here we have the total bandwidth, and here we can completely turn off the QoS. So as you guys can see, now it's turned off, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.